Hello students, here this is unit 3. Name is three-dimensional transformation. Before this topic discussion, I want to tell you what do you mean by three dimensions. Before three dimensions, I want to tell you what is the dimensions. Dimensions are just is physical spatial. This is existing in space. The spatial place are called which object have some minimum number of coordinates are existing in space is called the dimensions. For an example, as you know, there are many dimensions are there. First is 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimensions. How you can show what is the 0 dimension, what is 1 dimension, what is 2 dimension? First, for an example, we have one object. This is one object and that object don't have any capability to do any direction like this object have zero dimensions. If one object is here and that have the capability to go one direction, that have a means one dimension. If one object is here that have to go this direction or this direction, that means it's have two dimensions. If one object is here who have the capability to go left hand side, right hand side, up and down and front and rear, this type of capability have three dimensions. So now you can understand, I think, that what do you mean by the dimensions and what is three dimensions. So now we are coming on the two things, two different orientations are in the dimensions. First one is LHS, left hand side, and second one is RHS, right hand side. What do you mean by the LHS and RHS? LHS means left hand side, means that if these four fingers are there, okay, if four fingers are there, that which fingers shows which direction, that direction is X. And if we have to fold, these four fingers are in upward, means that which direction it will be shows Y. And then this thumb, which direction it will be shows here, that will be called the Z. So this, if we our fingers are X to Y, it will be folded like this, okay, and that time our thumb impression is going to the Z direction, okay. So this is called the RHS. This is my hand, right hand side. So in the right hand side, our four fingers will be shows X direction and it will be folded X to Y. That time our thumb will shows Z direction in the positive axis, okay. So this is called the right hand side. Same thing we are going on the left hand side, okay. Left hand, if we are trying, then our fingers are four fingers except thumb, that will be shows the X direction and that will be folded X to Y. Then thumb will show the Z direction in the positive axis. I hope you are getting two orientations are there. First is LHS and second one is RHS. Now, as you know already, in the 2D direction, if you want to show any transformation in any object, then this is your new object coordinates. This T shows transformation and this P shows old coordinates, okay. So my dear students, this is called the three-dimensional space. I hope you got it everything whatever I am telling you in this lecture. Now next lecture we start from the transformation. So before transformation you have to remember each and everything about the 2D transformation, then you can learn very easily about the 3D transformation.